Want a pro-quality YouTube camera without spending a fortune? Forget about those overly expensive options. Here are the top 3 budget cameras that make your videos look amazing in 2024. First up, the Canon EOS M50 Mark II. A YouTuber's favorite. Great autofocus, no blurry shots, i.e. easy to use for beginners, no price around $600, perfect for vlogging and sit-down videos. Next we've got the Sony ZV-1 small but powerful. Cinematic background blur. Built-in mic for crystal clear audio. Only $750, worth it. Perfect for travel, vlogs and shorts. On a tight budget, the Panasonic Lumix G7 is your best bet. Sharp 1080p video, looks pro. Interchangeable lenses for future upgrades. Super affordable. Best option for beginners who want high-quality content. Which camera would you choose? Canon, Sony, or Panasonic? Drop a comment. And don't forget to like and follow for more epic YouTube gear reviews. Need more viral YouTube video scripts? Let me know.